I'm going to revisit Crude. I wasn't happy yesterday. I really, I'm not too sure. I've seriously looked at Crude, uh, but yesterday I was not happy with my situation of, what was it, every 3 or 4 minutes? 3 or 4 minutes making a few $100s or something. So I know this looks messy. I'll change that because I want it all on the screen here. But see, here's 14:0, like 14, 2 o'clock, whatever. Here, at least you had 15 minutes trade or something as you go from lower axe to the upper axe. And that, as you know, that's all you're doing. You're just going from axe to axe. That's all you do all day long. And we'll get into something which is important in that. I might as well talk about it now. Here's a line. Here's a line, or there's a line. All you're going to do with a line is step down or step up. That's all you're going to do. Now, what I have done with my Crude, I've played around. I made it a 1,000 tick. Just play, find something that you're comfortable with, and the indicator for the bands, for example, is a 10,000 tick overlay. So that's all I did with that. So now I'm going to enlarge this, and we'll take a look at the action around the lines. There, I've put it at full screen so I can move around. So in Crude, 20, 40, 60, 80. So it's $100 move, I think, from here to, that's $100. And I'll tell you that's in about half an hour from whatever. But this will, so what I'm suggesting is that you create a chart you're comfortable with, or that's what I do. I think if I was trading Crude, it'd be something like this: 1,000 tick into 10,000 tick, or something. I want enough vibrations to enable me to get a reading on a line. Now, there's one line right here. Oh, no, there's two. There's a brown thing and a red thing. There's a couple of lines right there. Now, it's a line, and if it's a buy, you're gonna step up. Here's a line, so you're going to step down. Uh-oh. there's a line, so if it's a buy, you're going to step up. There's no line here, but you are stepping down. So you come from here. If it's a buy, you're going to step up. Now, you've got, as well as the steps, you've got the lower yellow. So you've got a frame of reference. And I just buy. And if it starts going down through the step, then it's stepping down. If I'm going to go long, I don't want to step down. I want to step up. It's that simple. And the move from there to there, where it starts to step down again, is 20, 40, 60, 80, $90 or so. And that was from That's in an hour, almost. No, 50 minutes from 50 minutes from there to there. And as you go from there to there, um, you're just walking up the steps. Okay? And, I mean, so if you're selling what, 3 lines? So you are going to walk down the steps until you arrive at this line. And that was in fifth, no, that was at least 15, 20 minutes. And so 20 minutes you made as you go down the steps till it stops going down, or comes to a line. That was 20, 40, 60, $80. So if you're, I guess, dealing with a broker that enables you to what, $400 a contract or something? I don't know. But that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So all you are doing is was that singer Johnny Cash? Walk the line. That's all you're doing. Is there's a line. Happens to be the 10,000 tick bid. It's yellow, but it's a line. So yeah, Johnny Cash, Walk the Line. There's even a movie by that name which I enjoyed very much. The life story of Johnny Cash. That's the singer. But you just walk the line. Just walk the line. And also, if you missed this buy, let us say, and you see this action, if it is going to walk the line, then you can just buy against the line. And if it starts to work its way down through this, then you just panic, I guess. Here's the walking the line again. So if you were buying in this, you would panic or something if it starts moving down through the wall, the wall there. Here's a line. Now, yeah, there's a line. Now, so you're selling, right? Are you walking down the line? And that is a simple question to ask, is it not? No, you're not. On this line, you walk down the line, but this line, you did not. See the difference between this and this? This was a sale. This was not really a sale because you were not walking down the line. I mean, it's so simple. So simple. So simple. Walking down the line, arrive at this line, walk up the line, arrive at this line or area. Oh, certainly yellow's not going to be up, but walk the line. Line, walk the line. See, you're not doing much here. You're not doing this, for example, here. Why? Because you're walking the line, walking this line. Yeah, here's the line, so I'm going to start to walk this line. So yes, $3,000 for this is peanuts. Because if you walk the line in Crude from here, if you walk that line from here to here, that is, I think it's $200. And, 5 contracts, $1,000. So get 3 of those walking the lines in crude oil a day. There's another one. That's in half an hour. You've paid for you paid for the axe in 3 trades in one day. 3 half-hour trades in one day, and you're forced to be in that trade because you can see yourself walking the line. You just see what's happening. So this axe is just beyond. Just beyond. Look at that nice little walk. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. That's a $100 move in 20 minutes. There's another $100. So this is pretty well 1 hour. Let's say this is 1 hour. So in that 1 hour you made by walking the line, $1, $2, $3, $4, $500, $400 in 1 hour. That's one contract. Just by following your eyeballs and walking the line. I mean, my goodness. That is just. Here's a move. This is probably a several $100 move. Now, in what context would you assume you would be long up in here when you're walking the line to the downside? There's a couple of lines. Are you walking the line to the upside through them? Or are you walking down the steps out of those 2 lines? How about these 2 lines? Are you walking up the steps? This line here. Here's a couple of lines. At that point, are you walking up the steps? So there. Why isn't this? I was pressing the wrong button. There's a couple of lines. So, are you walking up the steps through them? Or are you walking down the steps away from it? Here's a line here. Are you walking down the steps through it? Or are you walking up the steps through it? My goodness. How foolish I would be as a consumer if I saw this, if I did not buy the axe. What a foolish person I would be.